To open the Fidelity mobile banking app, start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Next, locate the Fidelity app on your device, which is typically found on the home screen or within a folder. If you have not downloaded the app, visit the App Store on your device, search for Fidelity, and follow the prompts to download and install the app. Once the app is located, tap on the Fidelity icon to launch the app. You will be presented with a login screen where you will need to enter your username and password. If you are a new user, you may need to create an account or register for online access. Tap on the Forgot Password link if you are unable to remember your login credentials. After entering your login information, tap the Login button to proceed. You may be prompted to answer a security question or enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. This is an additional security measure to ensure the security of your account. Once logged in, you will have access to a variety of features and tools, including account balances, transaction history, and investment information. You can also use the app to transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks remotely. The Fidelity mobile banking app is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. To get the most out of the app, take some time to explore the different features and tools available. You can also customize the app to fit your needs, such as setting up account alerts and creating a list of favorite accounts. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features, you can easily and securely manage your finances using the Fidelity mobile banking app.